Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over the August subscription reveal. So this one is called Autumn Glen, and because I ship a month earlier than the month that they're intended for, this is your September artwork. So anyways, I thought I would start with just kind of, look at that, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, showing you the vellum. So the vellum, I'm actually able to do this, everything is early, I'm able to actually get this done, I'm very excited. So number one, look at how cute that is. These are the vellums. They haven't been trimmed down yet. They like literally just came in the mail. I grabbed them out, but I still need to trim the edges off. But how cute is that? I have it on a white background so that you can see it, see the colors pop, but you can kind of get a really good sense for the fall color palette. There's that one. And then this one, look at all these beautiful greens and oranges and the browns and the acorns. And oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. This is going to make such a gorgeous like little tearing and sidebar stuff. It's just beautiful. Okay, so there's those. I'll send them off over there. And then I'm going to show you in the premium mat so that I don't have to use the little white, but I have it here. I'm going to keep it handy because there are a couple of things that come in both kits that are both. I'll explain when I get there. So here is your vinyl sticker. It's so, so pretty. And this little scene right here is also your background for a phone or a tablet that is in the newsletter. So if you get the newsletter from me, there's that you can download and use as a background. I have one, I have that on my phone, and it just gives me all the vibes. I love it. This is your September headers. So in the scripty font and the typewriter font. So there's that. These are kind of like the little freebie section that I'm going through. These change or could change at any time. It just happens to be like, this is the August freebie with my little derpy Highland cow. So these aren't like a part of how I decide how much your subscription is going to cost. These are just like little extra things that I add in. So there's those. And then this is your soft touch cards. So if you've ever been to Scotland, which is basically what this kit is themed after, is like autumn in Scotland. I went in the wintertime, so I actually haven't seen it in autumn, but this is what I imagine it looks like because it's just absolutely beautiful. But if you've ever been to the Royal Mile, these are exactly what it looks like when you're walking up the Royal Mile. Every once in a while, there'll be a dip, like an alleyway in between a whole bunch of these that are on top of each other, and those are called closes. But all of the shops, and they have all their goodies outside where you can just walk up and down the Royal Mile. At the top is Edinburgh Castle. At the bottom is, I don't remember what's at the bottom. Water? Maybe? I can't remember what's at the bottom because our hotel is kind of in the middle. Anyway, and it's just a fabulous place to eat and shop. So I thought that was super, super pretty. Here's a little bookstore with a little shopper here browsing. There's actually another window over here, but I kind of cut it off so that I could get you as many books in there as possible. So these are the soft touch cards. This is your September calendar and the little where to find me, where to follow me, that kind of stuff. There's those. And then this will give you a good, oh, it's so pretty. Look at the colors. They are just gorgeous. This is your full page sticker. It's just so pretty. I want to go back so bad. My son knows that, which is why he picked this theme, because he thought that I would really enjoy doing a fall themed Scotland, since most of our subscriptions have been, well, actually most of the things that we've done together have been travel themed. He kind of wanted to carry it on, and he thought it would be really beautiful too, since he's seen all the pictures obviously of us going there and the Highlands and the locks and all that stuff. So yeah, that's where the theme came from. So floral corners, a couple of corners. These are also corners, and then some bunches in the middle, some leaves, lots of little acorns, lots of little goodies for you to play with. Then we get into the collage sheets. Your film strip with this adorable kid walking, and some of those corner elements. A larger one, that's the one I made the vinyl sticker out of, and then your stamps. These are all of your stamps right here. Then another one, these are strips, and they are different sizes. So there's some skinnier ones and some thicker ones, and they kind of alternate. Then you've got some deco, another corner piece here, and some more. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I love this. There's that one. Then this page, very whimsical. So if you're here, it's because you like the kind of artwork that I that I do. So, and I'm a very whimsical artwork kind of a person. I do like realer looking stuff. Obviously, I get Graceful Muse, I get, you know, Sterling Ink, those kind of kits and stuff, but my heart is in the whimsicals area. So this is definitely me. Like, this is me. So we've got a little grouping right here. There's this girl with her basket and her books. This is also very kind of like coffee, tea, book, autumn themed to go along with. This one here is on washi, and that is because if you saw the plan with me video, which should be the one right before this, I'll have it linked at the end so that you can see it. You'll see how I use this, but it is a full sheet. So it is just cut around the outside of this. So you can either cut it yourself and use it, you can rip it, you can use it as a full page, you do whatever you feel like you want to do, which is why I left it as washi, because if you want to rip it and use it as like washi, like little, give it like an organic edge or something like that, you're able to do that with washi paper, whereas you're not really able to do that with premium matte. So that's that one. And that's going to be washi in both, obviously. This page is your littles. So you've got all of your little, I guess you would call this like A6 or weeks sized things that you could use in like a smaller planner if you've got a smaller planner. And then these are your washi strips. And I use that gorgeous, these greens just kill me. The greens and the oranges and these turquoise blues. Oh my gosh, I just love them so much. So I thought they would be really pretty for washi. So there's your washi strips. Here is another little grouping, and how cute is the little lammies. They're just, I just died. I died. They are so stinking adorable. And then you've got like some other little items on here, a bunch of deco, bunch of flowers. This is a full washi sheet, so again, it's a tearable or cuttable or however you want to do it. You use it as a full, but you like looking out into a glen, basically. So lots of like farmland, and yeah, I just thought it was really, really pretty. There's that one. And then this is your 3 bigger art boxes. This is a little bar, little grouping here with so cozy. And then we went to a place up in the Highlands. It's called, I can never say it right, but Ivory. And this is kind of exactly what it looked like. So there's shops on either side, the water's at the end, you can see like the boats outside, and then there was a place that we stayed at and we ate, which was called the George, which is kind of off down this way if you're looking down. And I just love it. I love it so much. It's like you stepped back in time when you go to a place like that. And yeah, it was absolutely fantastic. 2 larger ones. So if you look off in the background right here, you can see a castle, and that's supposed to be Edinburgh Castle. And then this would be like the shopping area as you're walking up towards the castle. So that would be the Royal Mile. Some more like different angles of the Royal Mile with kind of like the castle peeking around the back. And then this is a new sheet that I added in just to test it out and see what you guys think. You've got a couple of corner floral things here and a couple little extras on the outside, but for the most part, this is for this, so that you can have these strips. You can mix them, match them, put them together, make a saying, however you want to do it. But it's a bunch of like fall themed kind of like little groupings of words that I thought would be kind of fun to use in your collages. So if you've watched any of my Plan With Me videos, you know I'm like obsessed with putting like little quotes all over my collages. And so I wanted to give you a page that was kind of like that. So this one will be whether you get the washi or the premium matte. This one's going to be on premium matte because it's much easier for you to layer this. Like I'll show you right with this page. So this is mine. See, so you can actually see it. If this was washi paper, if this was on washi paper, you would see all of the artwork in the background. And I didn't want you to have to try to struggle to read what your little sayings said. So yeah, I made it. This one will be on premium matte no matter which kit you get. Then I did something a little bit different with your little ink splotches that go in the background. So these are like background collage elements that you can build off of if you want to, or you can put scripts over them, or you could use these over them. These would be fantastic, but these all have different sets of artwork in them or different bits of deco added to the top, which I thought they came out really, really cute. Very, very colorful and almost like art all by itself. This is your monthly page. So just again, you can use this whenever you want, but you have your September cut out right here, and then you have deco all over. This month, important appointment to do, birthday goals, a stamp item right here, and then some washi in your 1 through 31. So it's just an extra page that you can use anywhere that you want to, or you can use it specifically for the monthly. Then we have these. So September is too long of a like month to put out for every single day. So I just abbreviated it. So this is your 1 through 30 and a couple of birthdays. Then your days of the week, which you have enough here for, I want to say there's 5 weeks worth here, and this month and the next month. Then your monthly sheet right here, which has like some smaller ones that you can use for like daily covers and some more numbers. These are the months, 1 January to February, and then some like typeface days of the week that you can use on some smaller things. So these are really good to just put in your stash if you don't use them now. And then if you want to redate a planner or you're getting an undated planner, these are really great to keep laying around. And then my derpy doodles. So these are the doodles that I did for this month. You got a little sheep, the little Highland cow, which you saw on the freebie. And then I did each one of the characters all bundled up for fall. She's got her scarf on, and then I identify with buttons. The whole time I was there, I'm not a hat person, but I had a hat on, I had earmuffs on, and I had a scarf on everywhere we went. So I put some little earmuffs on buttons because I felt like she needed it. And then there's a nice little grouping in the middle and some of my drippy little floral doodles. But anyway, that is that sheet. So that is basically everything that comes in this month's kit. There is a ton of it. These are $27.50 a month. Few little housekeeping things while I set these out so that you can kind of and get a good grouping picture of the whole thing. Subscriptions open tomorrow on the 23rd, and they will be open until the 1st to everyone. No limit. You can get as many as you want. Nobody's not included. And then on the 1st is when I count up all of the subscriptions that I have versus all of the numbers of supplies that I have, and then I cut it off at that point to only like once I get all of the subscriptions out, the numbers change. So I will know as of the 1st of the month exactly how many I need and exactly how many I have, and then from there is where I will cut it off. So if you haven't signed up before the 1st, there is a chance that they will sell out before you get a chance to. So it's always safe if this is something that you absolutely totally want to have. It's always a safe bet for you to, what is that? How's that look right there? That's a pretty decently large grouping. Anyway, it's always a good idea to sign up ahead of time before the 1st, and then that way you're guaranteed to get your kit. You can cancel anytime, you can skip whenever you want. I don't put any limitations on it, so you're able to do as you please. But if you're ready to start getting all of your fall planning goodies together and you want a whole lot of fun, beautiful stuff to play with for a very inexpensive price, at least I feel like it is compared to some of the other subscriptions out there, not knocking anybody, everybody does what they can, yeah, then this is for you. So links down below to the shop where the subscriptions are. If you're there before the 23rd, it's going to say sold out, but no worries. It will be available on the 23rd at midnight. So yeah, that's all I have for you now. Thanks guys so much for hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate it. Would love to hear what you think of this collection down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.